Hello everyone. Many of you want to know what topics you should cover in making review videos. Giving people as much information as you can is the solution. Examine the JV page, the demo video, the sales pages, and if accessible, the training videos before reviewing, gaining access to, and using the product. The key points are to take mental notes, and if necessary, put them in writing. When reviewing, note the strong parts and the areas that need improvement. Not selling, since many products lack the traffic component unless they are traffic products. You have the opportunity to identify this deficiency, establish a connection with your audience, and provide a solution. Providing the appropriate bonus package will aid in closing the transaction. In this case, you should provide bonuses for traffic generation and possibly for list building as well. Then you can say that your freebies will both complement and complete the offering. Subscribe or follow for more, and comment. Part 2. This gives potential customers an incentive to purchase that item from you. It encourages them to take action. You've just earned another commission because they take action. In essence, you are collecting all of the crucial data from a vendor's pages, videos, and email swipes, compressing it, and then disseminating it to your audience. More information on the product should be available than what is contained on the sales page. The JV document, the upsells, and the actual product are not accessible to them. Having this knowledge and condensing it with all of the training videos demonstrates to your viewers that you are more knowledgeable than they are. So, you're putting yourself in the position of being knowledgeable and in charge. So be sure to learn as much as you can about the upsells, downsells, pricing, how the product has more to offer and what to expect from them, how the items and upsells will improve their quality of life and assist in resolving their issues. Part 3. Your viewers will be more likely to decide to buy some of the upsells in addition to the front end, which will result in you earning even more commissions if you point out all the details of the upsells and discuss which ones you like and don't like. The name of the product you're evaluating should therefore be mentioned at the beginning of your review video in the member section. Then say hello to everyone. Briefly describe the nature of the product, what it does, and how it will help your audience. Proceed to your bonus page next. Let them see your bonuses. Start closing the deal by going over your bonus page and describing how these extras will improve the product and how they'll address that one flaw you've identified. Tell them to take action to get your bonuses in full with huge value. Go to the sales page next. That's it for now. Subscribe or follow for more, and comment. Part 4. Go to the sales page now. Highlight the key points. Mention the comments that people have made, like this: these are acceptable products, the very best, etc. Provide them with the evidence that the product is profitable. This product has received positive reviews and accomplishes what it promises. For instance, it automates social posts, or makes beautiful videos, makes money, etc. Mention the money-back guarantee. Clarify that there is truly no risk on their end, and then make your way over to the major portion of the product, the members area. Then examine the product. If it is a training product, walk them through the headers and subheadings and give them a rundown of what is to come. If it's software, if it's possible, show them how it works. And save, because this isn't generally achievable. So go over the modules and demonstrate what the cloud-based software has to offer. I'm not nearly finished, but that's it for now. Make sure that you follow and subscribe for more.